I really like to know exactly how things work on the most fundamental level, so that really drew me to a physics degree. One of the things that I really like about UTC is how close the physics department is. The experiment that we're working on right now is dealing with timing synchronization, because in order for us to have the entanglement that we desire, we have to make sure that our photons that are traveling through the quantum network are indistinguishable in all degrees of freedom, meaning wavelength, polarization, and especially in the temporal domain. We need very, very precise timing synchronization down in the picosecond range. And there is some technology available, specifically the White Rabbit technology that was developed at CERN, that is pretty much the gold standard. We're trying to develop two new timing protocols that can offer comparable results to the White Rabbit switch. And so far, we've been showing some pretty promising results, especially after your first 2 years of graduate school. They focus more on your abilities as a researcher instead of really classroom intensive things. Like you're not going to be doing a lot of classroom stuff. You're going to be working in a lab. And the fact that I was able to get the experience here at UTC working in this quantum node lab prepares me for that, for the scientist that I want to be, because fundamentally, or at heart, I think I'm an experimentalist. I like to work with things, I like to build things, I like to do all that. And so the time that I've spent here at the Quantum Node Lab has really enhanced my skills as a researcher and as a scientist. I'm pursuing my Ph.D., doctorate in physics, specifically with a concentration in quantum information science. I'm in a really good place right now where it's like, I know exactly what I want to do. I am laser focused. I've never been more sure of something in my entire life. I really love what I do. I want to be a physicist more than anything. As soon as I got here to UTC, I got very involved with the physics department. What I really like about it is that it's such a tight-knit community, and it's like the interactions that you get with your professors and the ability to go up to your professor and actually ask them, hey, I'm interested in your work. I would really like to be working on research with you. That's one of the best things that I ever did, and the fact that UTC has that tight-knit community really was the one thing that allowed me to do that.